In an era marked by profound geopolitical shifts, India's proposed maritime doctrine, Shanti, signifies a pivotal moment in shaping not just the nation's foreign policy but also regional maritime security. Launched by the External Affairs Minister, this initiative represents a progressive step in India's approach to multilateral diplomacy and maritime governance, positioning itself within the long-standing trajectory of initiatives like SAGAR and Mahasagar. Shanti evolves India's maritime vision by focusing on the establishment of rules and cooperative frameworks rather than mere security outreach. This third stage of India's maritime strategy emphasizes norms, trust, and integrity, which are essential in crafting a stable maritime environment where collaborative governance thrives. Shifting our focus to the Bay of Bengal, one must delve into the historical and geopolitical implications that make it the testing ground for Shanti. This body of water has been a conduit of trade and culture for centuries, deeply intertwining South and Southeast Asia. In contemporary times, it serves as a critical link under India's Act East policy, facilitating vital connections with ASEAN nations. The bay's location also enables access to the Malacca Strait, a pivotal maritime choke point that significantly influences global trade and energy flows. Therefore, India's decision to harness the Bay for Shanti aligns strategically with its positional advantages and regional interests. The increasing Chinese presence in the Bay through initiatives like the Belt and Road Initiative adds layers of complexity to this maritime landscape, underscoring the necessity for India to foster a proactive and responsible maritime policy. What sets Shanti apart is its unique approach to addressing maritime security challenges, especially given the spectrum of threats that loom over the Bay of Bengal. In stark contrast to the prevailing military competition narratives, Shanti heralds an era of trust based and demand driven cooperation. By promoting regional stewardship, India aspires to redefine its role as a responsible security partner rather than a dominant force. This cooperative ethos is vital, particularly in the face of non traditional security threats that permeate the region, such as climate change, illegal fishing, and natural disasters. As the Bay struggles with being one of the most disaster prone regions globally, the Shanti Initiative stresses that regional cooperation and collaboration will be key to effectively tackling these multifaceted challenges, reinforcing the notion that collective action surpasses unilateral efforts. In summary, Shanti encapsulates India's vision for a cooperative and secure maritime future. It not only acknowledges the current geopolitical dynamics of the Bay of Bengal, but also champions an inclusive approach that resonates across nations sharing its waters. By prioritizing trust, integrity, and collaborative governance, India's position